Hey guys, so I have something fancy this time. I'll be showing you an awesome pair of Bluetooth earbuds by a company called Zag. It is called iFrogz Freedom Reflect. So firstly I'll start off by telling its appearance, and I give full marks as per the appearance goes. The packaging was decent enough. You also get a travel case out of the box. On the right earbud you have the power button on the top, the charging slot on the left, and the volume rockers on the right. And in the left earbud you have a whole lot of nothing. To connect it, simply hold the power button for a few seconds and it will start blinking blue, which indicates that the earbuds are on. And keep pressing it further to go to the pairing mode. It will start blinking red and blue continuously, and then you can connect it with your phone using the Bluetooth. Once connected, the blinking will stop and will also make a sound in the earbuds. There are 3 types of ear tips present, and you also get some extra earphones along with it. It is sweat and moisture resistant, and hence it is ideal for sports and gym sessions. The cable is reflective, that is, it will glow when exposed to a beam of light in the dark. Thus, it is made up of the same material that the jacket of construction workers are made of. It fits your ears perfectly, as the earphones make it even more secure, just like the box says secure fit on it. Now the audio quality. For this price range, the audio quality is amazing, but the bass wasn't up to the mark. If bass is the only thing you are looking for, then I'll suggest you not to get this. But if bass is not your main priority, if you just want some good music with moderate bass, then this is a very good pair of earbuds. On a single charge, it lasts about 5.5 hours. And it takes about 40 minutes to an hour to charge. I have no complaints as per the build quality, but the region of the earbuds are a bit weak, so if you by chance sit on it, then it might break. I think it is very comfortable. You can wear it for long hours and it will fit your ears perfectly, so it won't itch or something else. And you can get this on different colors. I have the green one. You can get the red, grey, blue, or the purple one even. The wires are tangle free, by the way. I think the flap of the USB connector is very weak, so it can get torn over time. The price of these are 2999 Indian rupees, which is around $45. I'll say that it is reasonable for its price. I have been using it a lot. I quite like it, to be frank. So what do you think about this pair of earbuds? Would you like to buy it? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, hasta la vista.